catnap. I don't care how much you wanted and complain. This is your fault. You wanted to keep biting and scratching me. Now you're going back up for adoption. So guys, what do you want to do today? Food. Huh? Food. What do you mean food? Hungry. Well, I don't feel like cooking, so...
Thank God.
Well, I don't feel like cooking, so I'll just order food. What do you guys want? Ooh, I already know what you want to eat, pumpkin pie eater. You're still mad about that? Yes. Food! Alright. Clowny, what should I order? Clowny. 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 Clowny! Huh, what? Why weren't you answering me? Well, I was just thinking, and people who drive cars have to wear seatbelts so they don't fly out of the window. And if that's true, then why do people let their dogs just run around in the car without a seatbelt? Are dogs just like immune to flying out the window? What are you talking about, Clowny? I don't know, why were you calling me anyways? Well, I wanted to ask you, what should I order us for lunch? Oh, I don't know. So let me get this straight. I've listened to all your yapping just for you to say, oh no. You know what? I'm gonna make food instead.
No! Oh my God, why?
Ugh, see what you did, Clowny?
Later.
I gotta go feed the baby. Alright guys, eat up. Oh, corn dogs. Oh, that's not so bad. Alright, time to watch TV.
Piggy, it's still frozen.
It'll cool off.
Ew, Piggy's food tastes like butt. Well, that's because the cat rubbed its butt on the food before I served you guys, but it's okay. You can only notice it the first bite. Ugh. That tasted worse. Well, that's just not my problem. And besides, just starving people in Africa, they would love to eat my tasty food. Ugh. Piggy, I think I speak for everyone when I say this. Your food sucks, and I'm tired of having to eat it every single day. What? No, that's not true. You guys love my food, right guys?
No. It tastes horrible.
It tastes like butt.
Yeah, and I like butt, but not even this tastes good. So, what do we eat?
I don't know. I got an idea, guys. We could hire a new chef for us.
Ooh, yeah, that's a good idea, because then they could make tasty food for us.
And me and William can make help wanted posters and hang them up all around town.
Good idea, Willow.
Come on, William. And done. Wow, we really outdid ourselves this time, William.
This poop won't come out. I guess I'm just gonna have to grab it and pull it out again. Yeah, Willow?
Oh, me and William finished the poster.
Poster? You mean posters?
No, I only made one.
Why did you only make one?
Well, me and William's hands got tired, so we only made one.
Alright, let's go hang it up.
Okay. Perfect.
Hey, boss.
What?
Well, I was just wondering, when are we gonna get our revenge for them killing Crawler?
I already told you, you dimwit. Soon. We're not ready yet.
Oh, okay. Oh, that reminds me. So, I was spying on them, like you said, and I saw they were hiring chefs.
And?
And it gave me an idea. I can apply for the job, and if I get accepted, I can kidnap Piggy.
Sentinel, that idea is dumb as fun.
Okay.
Wait, Sentinel.
Yeah?
I just had an amazing idea. I could make you apply for the job, and if they accept you, you can kidnap Piggy.
Hey, that was my idea.
Do it, now!
Okay.
I expected somebody to call by now. Let me go check the poster. I hope some kid didn't spray paint over it or something. She didn't put a number? Willow!
Yeah?
Why didn't you put a number on this?
I guess I forgot.
How did you forget? That was like one of the most important parts.
Like I said, my hands got tired.
Hurry up and write it.
Okay. Alright, I'm done.
Willow, 2 isn't our number.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry. Alright, here.
Good enough. Go hang it up.
Ugh, I'm so silly.
Alright, now we wait. What could that be? This was quick. Wow, that's more of you than I expected. Alright, everybody. So before you get into the interview, I'm gonna ask you some questions to see if you're even good enough to get into the interview.
Okay.
Alright, wait. I remember you.
Uh-oh, gotta skedaddle.
I'll get my revenge on that guy someday. Anyways, Clowny, you choose who's first. Okay, that guy. You, stupid face.
Hi. What?
Alright, I'm gonna ask you some questions, so, question 1. Why do you want this job?
Because I like food, and I know how to cook really good food if you let me try. I got my own spatula too.
I don't see a spatula anywhere.
I keep it at home because my mom gave it to me on her deathbed. When she was dying, she gave it to me. She said it's a magic spatula. Whatever I cook is gonna taste so good.
Okay, next question. How many things do you know how to cook?
Well, I know how to cook a ton of stuff. I know how to cook Hot Pockets, burritos, the frozen ones. I know how to cook chicken nuggets. Let's see. I also know how to cook corn dogs. I know how to make those really good. You put them in the microwave for 2 whole minutes. Yep.
Do you know how to actually cook though? Microwave food doesn't count.
Oh, you mean with my magic spatula? Oh, okay. Let's see. I know how to cook. I know how to make cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and I know how to make grilled cheese and eggs and bacon and ham. I know how to cook ham sandwiches. Oh wait, no, I don't cook that. I know how to make all kinds of stuff. You name it, I can cook it.
Last question. What's the main ingredient to a ham and cheese sandwich?
Oh, that's easy. How could you ask me such an easy question? It's bacon.
What? I think you misheard me. I said ham and cheese sandwich. What's the main ingredient?
Oh, silly me. Oh, I can't believe I messed that up. I'm so embarrassed. It's turkey bacon.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, sir, but you're disqualified.
What? That is an outrage. I'll have you know, my mom gave me my magic spatula, and I make the best food the world will ever see. And you know what? I'm gonna take all your customers. Good day, sir.
God, the nerve of that guy. So unsanitary. Did you see his diaper falling off while he was throwing that fit? Yeah, disgusting. Anyways, yes, sir?
Hey man, nothing smell people's butt in the job.
Ew, no.
I don't know if I want this job anymore.
Anyways, you, fat guy with the chef hat.
He's talking about you.
The pig one.
Oh, hi.
Alright, so your first question, why do you want this job?
Well, I just want this job so I can kidnap Oh, I should try guilt tripping them. Well, I was born at a very young age, and when I was born, I was screaming and crying, and I didn't know where I was. But when I was born, there was one thing I knew, and instead I wanted to cook good food for good people, like you guys.
Well, your story really touched my heart. I know, right? Anyways, next question. How many things do you know how to cook?
Oh, well, lots of things, like at least 12.
Could you name some of those things?
You know, like buffalo chicken, shrimp, people who disobey keto.
What was that last one?
Huh?
Never mind. Last question. What's the main ingredient to a ham and cheese sandwich?
Oh, ham and cheese?
I said ingredient, not ingredients.
Oh, bread?
Correct, you passed all 3 tests. Now, we'll get back to you.
Yes, yes.
You, Longnose.
Hello, I'm Mr. Sniffer.
Okay, so the first question is, why do you want this job?
Well, I just want to cook food and stuff, and I might sniff your butt sometimes, maybe smack it, but I'm sure you won't mind.
Disqualified!
Ah, whatever, your butts are flat anyway. Oh, that's a good butt.
Did he just smell my butt?
Anyways, you, the guy that's been raising his hand this whole entire time.
Hello, I'm Chef Gerber. I actually used to work for Gordon Ramsay, but I quit because he's kind of mean.
I didn't ask for any of that. Anyways, the first question is, why do you want this job?
Because I need money.
Fair enough, fair enough. Okay, next question. How many things do you know how to cook?
I'm a chef. I can make anything.
Okay. Now the final question. I'm not gonna ask you what the ingredient to a ham and cheese sandwich is, since you already heard the answer from the other guy. But, what's the main ingredient to grilled cheese?
I can't really answer that question because both of the ingredients are needed to make it what it is.
Very good point. Alright, you two passed the questions. Now it's time for the hard part. You guys are gonna have to cook a meal for me, and if I like it, you pass.
Well, this is going to be easy.
Alright, you, Black Pig thing, you come first. Alright, here's the kitchen. You got 60 seconds to make me something that tastes good. Your time starts now.
60 seconds? This thing's rigged. What am I supposed to cook in 60 seconds? Oh no, my disguise fell off.
You're not a chef at all. You're one of T.O.'s thingy-majiggies.
Oh, son of a biscuit.
So, does this mean this is my turn?
Yeah, you're our last contestant. I hope this isn't just gonna be a big waste of time.
Don't worry, I'm great at cooking.
You got 60 seconds to cook. Your time starts now.
Okay. Alright, dinner is served.
Wow, this actually looks pretty good.
Dada, why am I a tiger even though you're an elephant?
Because your real parents didn't love you. Now eat your food.
Okay.
Oh my god. Your food is so good that it gave me flashbacks to my childhood. Like in Ratatouille.
So, do I get the job?
Yes, you do. Your food's amazing. I need more of this.
So, how much do I get paid?
Well, with food this good, you get paid in 10 hugs and kisses a day.
Yay.